under 3 days and watch your skin glow. So you cut the tomatoes into 2, like this. You put your sugar. You can either have your skin wet or like this. You allow it to stay on your skin for 2 to 5 minutes and wash up. Okay, so I've allowed it to sit into my skin for about 3 minutes. So you can let yours stay for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I've washed up and I'm going to allow it dry naturally. So my face has dried up now. I'm going to use egg. But I'm just going to use only the whites, not the yolk. Remember, I said only the whites, not the yolk. This is the whites. So I'm going to take it. For this, I'm going to allow it dry up for 5 to 10 minutes. So my face is dried. I boiled hot water. I put it inside this bowl. I got a towel to cover my face over for about 5 minutes. Watch me do this. Hey guys, can you see it has melted? So I'm just going to wash up. So after steaming, I've washed up my face. Can you see the difference? And ensure you do this twice or 3 times in a week at night. What did I say? At night. Do it and give me feedback. Cheers.